Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr. Smruti and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So students, without wasting much time, let us start today's class. So today we are going to discuss some more problems from exercise 5.3. Hope all of you are preparing for your monthly test of September, which is going to happen on 8th of October. So please do practice for that and all the best for your exam. So now let us start today's class then. So this is question number 11 from exercise 5.3. If the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third and 10th and the nth term. So, you have so many subparts for this question. So, let us understand and find out one by one. So, you have your summation for nth term given to be 4n minus n square, right? So, suppose I need to find out S1. So, for S1, what I need to do is I have to put n is equal to 1. So, S1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1. Putting n is equal to 1. Putting n is equal to 1. So, that is equal to 3. Right? So, this 3 which you have obtained now is nothing but is equal to the first term of the AP. Correct or not? First term of the AP. Now what is the sum of first two terms? So you need to find out S2 here. Putting n is equal to 2. So putting n is equal to 2, you get 4 into 2 minus 2 square. That is equal to 8 minus 4, and your answer is 4. So what you are done here? So you have put n is equal to 2, right? So now what is S2? What is summation of two terms? It is nothing but equal to A1 plus A2, that is equal to 4. Correct or not? So now, what is A? What is A? A is 3. It implies 3 plus A2 is equal to 4. It implies your second term is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. Right? Right. So you have now obtained what is the sum of first two terms? It is 4. What is your second term? It is 1. Your second term is 1. Then what you need to find out? You have to find out the third and the 10th and the nth term. So now, because you have obtained the first and second term, you can find out the common difference. So common difference is equal to A2 minus A1, right? So that is equal to, what is your second term? Second term is 1. What is your first term? It is 3. 1, 3. So 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Right? So after finding out the common difference, you can easily find out the third term, A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Correct or not? What is A? A is 3. What is D? D is minus 2. What is your answer then? 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. So this is your third term. So this is your third term. Suppose you need to find out the 10th term. So you will have a plus 9d. Correct or not? So what is a? 3. What is d? Minus 2. That is 3 plus minus 18, which is equal to minus 15. So your 10th term is minus 15. Correct or not? Your 10th term will be minus 15. So what will be your nth term then? What is the formula for the nth term? It is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So what is your a here? Your a is 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2, that is equal to 3 minus 2n plus 2. So that is equal to 5 minus 2n. Correct? So let me just write down in box what are the answers you have obtained, because there were so many things to find out. So you had to find out S1, that is 3. You have to find out S2, that is 4. You have to find out second term, that is 1. You have to find out third term, that is minus 1. You have to find out 10th term, that is minus 15. And you have to find out the nth term, which is 5 minus 2n. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to the next question. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So, let the positive integers divisible by 6 be written as 6, 12, 18, so on and so forth. Right? So now what you have to find out is you have to find out S40. Right? Right? So what is n value here? N is equal to 40. What is first term here? It is 6. What is common difference? That is 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. You can reconfirm by taking the third term and the second term. That is also 6. So you have got now common difference. Right? So what will be the summation? What's the formula? It is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So let us substitute the corresponding values. So you have 40 by 2, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. Right? So that is equal to 20. Within the bracket you have 12 plus 39 into 6. 39 into 6. So what is 39 into 6? So you have 20 plus 12 plus 234. Right? You have 234. So that is 20 into 246. That is equal to 4920. That is equal to 4920. Correct? Now let us go to the next question. Find the sum of the first 15 multiple of 8. Again, similar type. Let the AP be represented as. What is the first multiple of 8? It is 8. Then 16. Then 24. Then 32. so on and so forth, right? So what you need to find out? You have to find out is 15. So what is your n value? N is equal to 15. What is your a value? First term, it is 8. What is your common difference? It is 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Right? So we know the formula Sn, n by 2 within the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let us substitute the corresponding values, that is 15 by 2, 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8. Correct or not? So what you obtained is 15 divided by 2. Okay, 16 plus 14 into 8. Right? So you get 15 by 2. Then 16 plus 112, that is equal to 15 by 2 into 128, right? So your answer is 960. Okay, so the sum of first 15 multiple of 8 is 960. So by mistake it has been written wrongly, so let me rectify it. So it is represented, don't get confused. Okay children, so now let us go to the next question. Find the sum of the odd number between 0 and 50. Okay, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay, so let the AB be represented as. So what is the first odd number? It is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7 till 49. Correct or not? Till 49. So now here you need to find out the summation of the odd number from 1 to 49. But you don't know what is the number of terms here. Okay, but you know here first term and last term. Right. So let us write down what is given here. Your first term is 1. Your last term is 49. Your common difference between the odd number is very simple. It is 2. Right. So what is nth term? Nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct or not? What is nth term here? It is 49. So that is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. Right? So your n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 48. It implies n minus 1 is equal to 24 and your number of term is equal to 25. Right? So now you need to find out the summation of the number from 1 to 49. So because you have first term and last term of the AP, so your formula becomes more easier. So your summation of the nth term is equal to n by 2 first term plus last term, right? So that is equal to 25 divided by 2. Your first term is 1 and your last term is 49, correct? First term and the last term. So you get 25 divided by 2 into 50, right? So you get 25 square and your answer is 625, correct? Now let us go to the next bit. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 rupees for the first day, 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 more than for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. Okay. So, a contract on construction says penalty for first day of delay is equal to rupees 200. Penalty for the second day of delay is rupees 250. Penalty for third day of delay is equal to rupees 300. Right? So another thing is has been given, that is penalty for each succeeding day is equal to rupees 50. Right. So from this it is clear that the penalty maintains maintains one arithmetic progression. The first term of which is 200, right? Last term you don't know. Common difference is equal to 50, and you have to find out what is 30, taking n is equal to 30 days. Correct or not? Very simple now. How to find out? Put the formula S30 is equal to 30 divided by 2. 2 into 200 plus n minus 1. 30 minus 1 into d, that is 50. Correct or not? So what you obtain? You obtain 15 within the bracket 400 plus 29 into 50. Correct or not? So let us find out the answer. So 15 within the bracket 400 plus 1450, and your answer is 27,750. Correct? So just by putting the formula for S30, you could find out how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty. So the contractor has to pay, contractor has to pay rupees 27,750. Correct, children? Hope you have understood this problem. Okay, children? Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Hope you have liked this video. Please share and subscribe our channel. Follow us in YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to download the Etuson app. Keep practicing and best of luck for your exam. Okay, children? Bye.